From BR Detectors Dubai, we are pleased to introduce to you our brand new 3D visualization treasure detector, Ajax Troy. This new device, Ajax launched it in the beginning of 2024, and it have the most advanced scientific system and tools to detect and locate. And not only that, the device have the ability to determine the target depth, size, and the shape. We will speak more and more about this device and see its systems and take a look at the device bag. Stay with us. Now, if we open the device bag, we will see the main sensor of the device, the Gradio Smart Sensor, the main unit of the device. Also, the device came packed with a tablet to see and check the result by the tablet. We will find also the headphones of the device and Type-C charger, the head and the cable of the charging. The device came also for sure with user manual and warranty card for 2 years from Ajax Detectors. Now the device is working. We will take a tour on the setting of the device. If we open the setting menu, we will see the language option. We have 8 options of language we can choose between them. We have the date and the time setting, the display setting. We can adjust the brightness or set a sleep time for the screen. We can also adjust the general volume of the device and the key tone volume and the search volume. We have ability also to change between 2 power modes, the power saving mode, and we have the normal or the optimum mode. The storage where we can save our result that been taken by the device, either on the 3D scan or the Gradio Smart System. Also the Bluetooth to link the external tablet of the device, and the general information about the device like the device version and the software version and the uptime. What I mean by the uptime, or what Ajax mean by the uptime, is how much time the device been worked for. And also we can set a pin to secure our device. And last but not the least, the reset setting. We can clean the memory of the device or reset the setting or return the device on the factory reset. We went back to the main menu. We will go and choose the first system on the device, the 3D ground scanner. The device tell me to choose between the device or the tablet to make the scan from. I will choose, for example, the device. The device show me an option for the scanning mode. Is it manual or automatic? Scanning path, is it alternating or on one direction? And the scanning step, how many column and rows? And the starting point, is it from the left or the right side? Ajax add many features to the analytic tool for the 3D scan system. If I open one of the images that been taken by the device from the storage, I see here 4 options. We will check the first option. If I press OK, the device now make a render for the image and a pre-processing. After finishing this pre-processing, we will see the image that been taken by the device in 3D perspective. I have the ability to rotate this image by pressing OK, and now I can rotate by 360 degrees and press OK to make the device render this image. Also, we can do the zoom in and zoom out also. I press again OK, the device render the image. I can see this image by top perspective, side perspective, and now the last option, the reset, it will get the image back to the original angle. Second option on the analytic tool is the magnifier. So if I press on the magnifier, I see here a black rectangle. I will move it toward the metal target in the red color. I will see here on the left side of the screen the depth of the target reached to 6 meters and the value is 20%. If I move this rectangle to the blue area that represent the caves, it will also show the depth of this cave that reached to 7 meters and value of 8%. And last option on the analytic tools is the filtering. We can remove one of the 3 layers that represent the items. We can remove one of the 3 layers that show on the screen, the green layer that represent the normal ground, the red layer that represent the minerals, the blue layer that represent the cavities. So for example, I will remove the red layer that represent the minerals, and now the device hide it and show only the caves and the ground. An additional option and a very useful one is the ability to send the image to the external tablet so that I can do the analytic and see this image on larger screen. Okay, now if we press the button OK, the device will send the image and we will see two match images, one of them in the device screen and the other one on the tablet, so I can see it by a bigger and larger screen. Now we will go ahead and do our analytic on the tablet. If we move on to the tablet, I am already on the 3D plot window. I have here the ability to choose a language between a set of languages. We choose already the English language. We see the image that's been taken by the device. I can do a free move by 360 degrees and choose the suitable corner for me. If we go ahead to choose the 2D plot, we will see here the ability to determine the depth of the target. Again, here we are on the sixth row and the sixth column. The depth is 6 meters. I can see here details of the image that's been taken, the row count and the column count, the date and the orientation, the starting point. And the last option we will see on the tablet is the saved scan. Here we can see a list of scans. I can save unlimited number of images on the tablet. The second system on the device is the Guerrero Smart System. In fact, this is one of the most important systems that allow the user to locate the target and determine the exact point of the target, and that by giving the user a special alarm and indicator on the screen increased when the user became next to the target and gives the maximum alarm when the user exactly above the target. A unique feature in Ajax devices that is alert and notify the user when the sensor is not connected by showing this alarm on the screen, and this is a feature is very useful to identify the sensor status, as the device is capable to detect if there is any issue with this sensor. Start your successful journey today by equipping Ajax Troy. That's all what we have for you today. See you with the next videos, any new devices from BR Detectors. For more information, you can contact with us at the numbers below.